Y'all, this is going to be a story to tell. You stick around. We're chasing a package right now. I'm chasing a UPS truck. I got 2.3 miles, and I'm going to catch his ass. Because he's got my packages worth a lot of money. Stick around. Well, apparently he's going to meet me here. We're at a gas station. Never done this with UPS. This is a new one. But my package started getting lost, and I figured it out before it got lost, and I called the corporate office, and they swore it wasn't lost and that it had been delivered. They found out it wasn't delivered. I got a hold of the hub. I got a hold of the hub manager. They said they were going to put it on a private truck to put directly to me. It didn't work. They said they were going to redirect it to a UPS store. I didn't even know the UPS store existed, so that's a new one. In any case, they've got it. It's expensive, and we will be unboxing it in this video. It is the future of Suzy Q. Well, guys, we got it. Let's go home. Let's unbox this sucker. This is gonna change the game. Alrighty, guys. So I'm not the world's biggest fan of unboxing videos, but I think this is worth doing. Once you get through the, oh Lord, he used duct tape. Ha! Duct tape and eBay tape. This is a listing I've had my eyes on for a while because they're hard as hell to find. And this will be the game changer for Suzy Q. Good Lord, did he use enough duct tape? I don't think so. Really didn't want that getting gotten into. So, as I said, I've been chasing this thing. And chasing it all over the freaking county. UPS about lost it. And it's more than one thing, so. Yeah, let's go. This is the game changer, guys. So one of these is in need of repair, one of these is not. I'm gonna have to figure out which one pretty quick. But one of them's got to get shut off. That's why I need to figure out which one. Almost went through the box. This guy wants to do a lot of eBay. This one's lighter, so this is probably the one that needs repair. Talk about a packaging job. Yep. Yeah. This is the one that needs repair. It's got one scored. There it is. So this has got a cracked sleeve. Oh, baby. That's a whole different ballgame right there. Anyways, let's set this one here and let's unpackage the other 500 million layers of tape package. Thought I heard something. Nope, did not. The other 500,000 layers of paper. This one has the more critical components in it. This is the good one. Supposedly. Not as pretty as the other one, but I need to get the part number off of these and run them so I can figure out what the specs are on them. course, it didn't come with the lock clips. I'll have to get them ordered. I gotta get a new set of rings ordered anyway. But these will all get cleaned up, polished up, and oh my God, he smacked a freaking valve. Failed to mention that one, didn't you? So I'm probably gonna have to order a piston too. Wasn't that nice of you? You frickin' dingle. In any case, we'll figure out what these pistons are and get one ordered. So they are JE pistons, O-ringed, billet block, dart and sleeve. We're gonna pause here and we'll come back and go over just how much bigger these are. All right, guys, and here we go. I wanted to put some perspective in this. So right here we have factory spec stock 78 or 79 millimeter bore. It's an 1157 block, okay, with a stock piston. Nice snug fit, but stock flat top with valve reliefs. Nothing fancy piston. This is a maroon anodized billet big block, O-ringed with a set of JE 13 5-to-1 dome pistons. Put this into a perspective for you guys. You saw how snug this fit was. This is the stock piston. This is the sleeve that's screwed up already, so. That's with the rings on it. I mean, yeah. So, bore 78 millimeter stock, 88 millimeter. That now makes Suzy Q 1,345 cc's. No, sorry, 1,435 cc's of displacement. That is a holy heck of a lot of displacement. That is a big freaking piston. She's currently 1,216 and she is 3 mils over. We're gonna go 10. Game changer, boys. I gotta get this piston figured out, get a hold of JE, see if I can maybe mail it to them and have them check it. But that ding right there, someone smucked a valve. And I really don't feel like trusting that piston with nitrous on it. That's probably the same time he cracked that stinking sleeve. So we'll get a hold of him. Thanks for watching the Ringer 57 YouTube channel, guys. This is the big surprise I've been waiting for. I've got to dig out that other block and get it machined out to clearance the other case, and get it cleared for this block. I've got to measure the crank and send those measurements off to Carrillo, who are gonna make me a set of, well, they already have them. They're on the shelf, but they have to get the bearings made for their rods. So I'll get those made, and then that engine is going to be 1,435 cc, 13 5-to-1 compression, plus my skimmed head brings to like 14 5-to-1 compression. We're running on C23 again with the same nitrous. Yes, boys. We should be on motor somewhere around 200, 250 horsepower. Maybe. I'm betting closer to like 200. Okay, 190, 200. Spray the nitrous on top of that. We should be way up over the 300 mark. Way. Without even thinking about it. So we're gonna come out next year and not spray out of the hole. Get some motor hits, get some tuning done. Then we'll step into the nitrous and we'll take everything we learned from this year and we should advance quite a bit quicker.